In the following scenes, the assembled missile is now being raised to its firing position by the lightweight erector servicer equipment. Utilizing a two-pulley system for mechanical advantage, the 10-ton capacity winch located on the erector surface of vehicle pulls the top of the A-frame from the vertical position to the horizontal position. Two fixed-length cables run from the apex of the A-frame to lugs on each side of the missile body. The base of the A-frame is attached to two pivot points on the launcher. The two A-frame pivot points are located directly opposite the two tilt ring pivot points on the launcher. The rotating A-frame pulls the missile from the horizontal position to the vertical firing position. Having finished their missile assembly tasks, here we see members of the servicing section observing the missile being raised to its vertical firing position. In this scene, looking up at the bottom of the rotating missile, we can see the four carbon jet vanes which extend into the rocket engine exhaust plume during powered flight. The carbon jet vanes are used for missile steering during initial takeoff by deflecting the rocket exhaust plume until there is sufficient airflow over the air rudders to take over steering control. To prevent the missile from tumbling over as it is hoisted to its full vertical position, just prior to the missile rotating through its center of gravity point, the erector servicer winch is turned off. At this point, two hydraulic pistons which are attached to the launcher engage the tilt ring to support the missile. Hydraulic pressure to the two pistons is then slowly bled off in order to allow the missile to settle to its full upright position. Finally, the erector servicer winch is then re-engaged to pull the A-frame to the full horizontal position. In the following scenes, we see the missile in its full vertical firing position. Servicing section personnel will conduct fueling operations. Firing section personnel will conduct vertical system checkout of the inertial guidance system. Firing section personnel will also load in the pitch program and range to target data for the fire mission. Here we see the air compressor operator pressurizing the high-pressure spheres located in the thrust unit and the aft unit from the air servicing trailer. The air spheres in the missile are pressurized to 3,000 psi. Here the fueling crew has commenced the loading of 25,000 pounds of liquid oxygen into the thrust unit oxidizer tank.